Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you drive a Ford F-150, you know it's already a beast. But if you're looking to turn heads and squeeze out even more performance, upgrading your exhaust might just be the move. So today we're diving into why, how, and what to expect when upgrading your F-150's exhaust system. Let's start with the basics. The factory exhaust on your F-150 is designed for a balance of cost, noise control, and emissions. But let's be honest, if you're craving a deeper growl or want better airflow for performance, the stock system just doesn't cut it. Enter the aftermarket exhaust. Whether it's a catback, axleback, or full performance exhaust, the goal is simple: better sound, better flow, and maybe a little boost in horsepower. Now let's talk sound. One of the biggest reasons truck owners upgrade is for that signature rumble. Brands like Borla, Flowmaster, and MagnaFlow offer options from mild to wild. Want something loud enough to wake your neighbors? Or just a deep tone without drone? There's a system for you. Performance-wise, most exhaust upgrades won't turn your F-150 into a race truck overnight, but they can improve throttle response and add a few horsepower, especially when paired with a tune or intake upgrade. Cost-wise, you're looking at anywhere from $500 to $1,500 plus, depending on the brand and how much of the system you're replacing. Some folks DIY the install, but if you're not comfortable with power tools or working under your truck, a professional install might be worth it. So, is it worth it? If you want a better sound, a more aggressive look, and a little more performance under the hood? Absolutely. An exhaust upgrade is one of the most satisfying mods you can make to your F-150. That's it for today's breakdown. If you've upgraded your F-150's exhaust, drop a comment and let us know what system you went with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more truck content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next ride.